Hi guys, what is going on here? It's me, Mother Bird. I'm with another video. So, today's video, guys, quiet down a bit. So, I'm back with another video. Sorry about that. I had to tell my sister. But here is Smokey and Kool-Aid. Bella, her, my dog. She's acting very stupid. You can't see them. Let me see if I can get them over. Oh, dang it. You know what? You can't see them, but I'm about to put them to bed right now. So yeah. So oh, here's one. Wait, jumping over that way. Wait, wait, they're both gone. Never mind. So I'm gonna tell you about Cockatiel knife fright. Yes, Cockatiel knife frights are very suspicious. It's something you should look out for with your Cockatiel, especially if they have poor eyesight at night. It's due to darkness and silence. Even though birdies need their own peace and quiet in darkness, well, that's not all the birdie needs. They need a little nightlight, something like this, by their cage. And you know, it's very common for cockatiels to get knife frights. It's extremely cautious. You should be extremely cautious about your bird, even if it's a cockatiel. Now, when it comes to knife frights with your bird, what they could do is bang up their wings. They could actually get head trauma if they fall off their perch. It can cause hemorrhage of bleeding in the wing. It can cause death or dramatic injury. And it's life-threatening. But yes, whoever has a cockatiel, just put a nightlight by their cage, and they should be okay. But yes, I'm about to put these guys to bed in a minute, and yeah.